Finally, Samsung is going bigger with its Galaxy S24 Ultra, which may be the reason you decide to hold off on purchasing it. There are a number of new updates arriving to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the most recent one will provide more information regarding the device's battery. With the new bigger sensor, Samsung will emphasize the 5x image level of the sensor. 1/2.52 sensor on S24 Ultra will focus good 5x zoomed-in shots. And this was the cause we were expecting to get a 5x telephoto sensor, but in reality it's 3x, with a 50-megapixel bigger sensor, also the 10x telephoto. Samsung is using the new camera sensor on the S24 Ultra, but there is one unique thing about the new sensor: it's better and will come with Apple. Should be on the lookout, since Samsung will introduce a new satellite connectivity capability on the S24 Ultra, which was previously expected for the S23 Ultra but never materialized. Even the South Korean Minister of Science has now hinted that a satellite connectivity feature will arrive in South Korea in the upcoming years, and Samsung's S24 Ultra will undoubtedly be the first phone to support it. This new satellite feature will differ from the iPhone 14 Pro Max in that it will be two-way, whereas it is currently possible to send a message through it. Some have also suggested that it will support small compressed picture sharing, though this is not yet confirmed. Samsung was going to use the M13 display on the S24 lineup, which will help the S24 Ultra in two ways. First, the new displays will be more energy efficient, and second, the brightness will be increased. The new displays will be available on the entire S24 lineup, and all models would be arriving with the LTPO displays, which comes with a variable refresh rate. S24 and S24 Plus were going to get larger batteries, but S24 Ultra will retain its current 5,000 mAh battery. However, Samsung will change the design of the battery, which will enable Samsung to increase the charging speed of the S24 Ultra. This year's charging speed was 45 Watt. We can hope for at least 60 Watt on the S24 Ultra next year, as Samsung were going to launch an S24 Ultra in February. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.